Hi, I'm Kelda from Tibet Vista. If you are planning a trip to Tibet, one of the first questions you probably ask is, what exactly should I pack? Tibet is quite different from many other travel destinations. We have high altitude, strong sunshine, dry air, and significant temperature differences between day and night. So in this video, I will walk you through what you really need to bring and just as importantly, what you don't need to worry about. The most important principle when packing for Tibet is layering. Even during the summer months, mornings and evenings can feel surprisingly cold, especially in places like Mount Everest Base Camp or Mount Kailash. During the daytime, however, the strong sunshine can make it feel quite warm. That's why I recommend bringing a combination of items that you can easily adjust throughout the day. A warm jacket such as a down or insulated jacket for spring and autumn, a fleece or sweater, comfortable long sleeve shirts, and a pair of sturdy, comfortable walking shoes. You don't need heavy expedition level equipment for most Tibet tours, but you do need practical and flexible clothing that adapts to changing temperatures. One thing many travelers underestimate is the strength of the sun in Tibet. Because of the high altitude, UV radiation is much stronger than in lowland cities. Even on cloudy days, it's very easy to get sunburned. So make sure you pack proper sun protection, including sunglasses with UV protections, sunscreen with at least a SPF 30, lip balm with SPF, and a hat or cap to protect your face. These small items can make a big difference in your overall comfortable during the day. Another common concern is the altitude. First of all, bring any personal medications you regularly take. It's also a good idea to carry some basic medicine for headaches, colds, or stomach discomfort, just in case. If your doctor recommends altitude medicine, you can prepare that in advance as well. However, I always remind our guests that the most important way to adjust to altitude is not medication, it's giving your body time to adapt. Walk at a steady pace, avoid overexertion on your first days, drink plenty of water, and get enough rest. Proper acclimatization is the key to enjoying your journey. The air is very dry in Tibet, especially in spring and autumn. I strongly recommend bringing a moisturizer, hand cream, and a lip balm to keep your skin comfortable. A reusable water bottle is also very useful during long sightseeing days. And don't forget a power bank, especially if you plan to take a lot of photos, which most people do. Many travelers worry that they need to bring oxygen tanks from home or extremely heavy winter gear. In most cases, that's not necessary. Our vehicles carry oxygen supplies for emergencies, and your guide will always monitor your conditions. As long as you pack appropriately for the season, there is no need to overpack or carry unnecessary equipment. Packing for Tibet is actually quite straightforward once you understand the climate and altitude conditions. With the proper preparation, your journey will be much more comfortable and enjoyable. If you are planning your Tibet trip and would like more personalized advice, feel free to reach out to our team. We are always happy to help you prepare for a smooth and meaningful journey. We look forward to welcoming you to Tibet.